In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how you can split accounting transactions. You can see that we're under the Accounting tab. You'll click on the Record a Transaction button to bring up a new window. The first thing that you choose here is if the transaction is income or expense, and then you'll supply an amount for the transaction overall. You're going to split this total amount into multiple smaller transactions, each categorized in their own way. So this is the total amount that you want to record. You can put in who you paid if this was an expense, or record the customer if this is income. And then you can leave the main category dropdown blank. We are going to use the split transaction button to turn that $100 into multiple transactions in multiple different categories. Now you can split by amount or percentage. If you have a receipt and you just want to type in the different amounts, that's great. Or if you wanted to put 40% to one category, 50% to another category, and 10% to the remaining category, you can do that too. It's all up to you. In this case, we're just going to put in an amount. Now that first $42.75 is going to go into our chicken feed category, and then we'll associate it with our chickens as well. Associating the transaction to this animal record is going to put that transaction on that animal's accounting tab and individual profit and loss statement. It'll help us know that this $42.75 was specifically spent on that chicken flock. And then we create, and you can see here that FarmBright has calculated the difference between the transaction we just put in and the overall $100, letting us know that we still have $57.25 to account for. And to do that, we'll click on Add Another Split, and now we'll put in our $23.75 that we spent on fertilizers and lime. This is going to be associated with our pepper plants. We'll create that. And now we have $33.50 remaining to make up the $100. We'll add another split, put in $24.75. This time we're spending that on repairs and maintenance. And this was associated with some fence repairs in Northwest Field A. We create that. We still have $8.75 remaining. That's going to be one more split, and we're going to put that into taxes. We'll create that, and now we see 0 remaining. We'll also go through and add an attachment. We're going to attach our receipt here so we have a copy of it, and then update our transaction. And now that transaction is split. Note the icon pointed to on the screen letting you know this is split into multiple categories, as opposed to the one above it for cattle feed or the one below it just for chicken feed.